So everything's really nice. It feels like a hotel here.
Mountain lodge spa type of deal.
It's like a ski resort. It's very classy.
Join us for a tour of the CCC Placer Center.
It's exciting to see new facilities.
Sitting on 60 acres of land, the center is home to more than 90 Corps members, just north of the city of Auburn in Placer County.
I love to go sightseeing and stuff, hanging out in the back trail that we have over here.
I liked going up to the mountains to just enjoy the peace and quiet, and now I get that every day.
I like to exercise outside.
Everything's within driving distance. You're close to Sacramento, you like Tahoe. Realistically, you go to San Francisco if you want.
Downtown Auburn, I think that's the nicest area.
12 minutes away.
The facility offers Corps members everything they need to work and live.
When I came to the CCC, I experienced a whole dramatic change to my life.
I honestly couldn't ask for more. This is definitely the place.
Corps members reside in the newly built dormitory building, where as many as 4 Corps members split a room.
It has a big wall in the middle, and you have 2 beds on each side with a desk.
You have ample space.
It is always nice to come home to your bed at the end of the day.
The dorm building is home to multiple laundry rooms, which are free to use.
Nice recliners.
If it's raining, you can still do something.
Pool table and the ping pong table.
It's a lot nicer to have some nice new equipment.
Shooting some hoops with the guys, playing some 3-on-3s.
The new multi-purpose building houses a basketball volleyball court. It's also where you'll find the modern dining hall and kitchen, where culinary Corps members whip up breakfast and dinner.
Our culinary team makes sure that we're fed well, and they take care of us.
I think I've learned a lot of what, institutional cooking is all about.
I'm learning a lot, every day.
Placer Corps members can work on 2 CAL FIRE-partnered wildland firefighting hand crews, responding to local and statewide wildfire incidents.
Fighting fires is obviously not easy, but I take pride in what I do because I'm saving acres and acres.
Placer crews work on everything from trails in state parks to fuel reduction projects in local communities.
A lot of the work that we do is based around fuel reduction.
I've done stream clearance.
We do invasive species removal.
I've done the chipper project.
We end up working on many things.
And Corps members may respond to emergency assignments across California.
Base camp for a fire.
That's the kind of work we do here.
The nature is the best part of this area.
Temperatures in the winter months can get a bit chilly.
I feel like it's a good mix.
While in the summers, the mercury can soar past 90.
So you get the best of every single season.
Snow is rare, but the center does receive about 3 feet of rain annually. With diverse project opportunities, brand new facilities, and a scenic location, the Placer Center is a unique CCC facility.
You'd love it. I think you'd love it. The CCC has just a lot of things to offer.